So a lot of people were asking me why I chose an E34 for my drift car. Well, let's get into it.
Still get it for the gusto. Young hot head, man, cutthroat. All these nats on don't go. Kick back and serve off them O's.
The first reason is they're really cheap. I picked up mine for 2,000 bucks, but you can find a clean one for as low as 1,000. BMW actually imported 150,000 of these cars between 1988 and 1996. They came with multiple engine options, starting with the M20 2.5 liter inline 6 single overhead cam, very durable, reliable motor.
The M50 2.5 liter inline 6 dual overhead cam.
The M30 B35 in the 535i, M60 B30 3 liter V8, M60 B40 or B44 motor, depending on the year, or of course the legendary S38 B38 motor, 3.8 liter inline 6 mounted to a 6-speed manual. And because they imported 150,000 of these cars to the US, parts are really easy to find. If I go to my local junkyard, I can find 2 to 3 E34s on any given day of the week. They also share parts with a lot of other cars, including the E32 7 Series, the E36 3 Series, E46 3 Series, and E30 3 Series, as well as the E28 5 Series and the E39 5 Series. Another reason it's a great starter drift car is the wheelbase. The E34 has a 108.7 inch wheelbase, kind of long, but when you're first learning how to drift, that long wheelbase helps so you don't spin out. E92 also has a 108.7 inch wheelbase. That's a coupe with the same wheelbase as this 4-door. E36 is a 107 inch wheelbase. E46 is also a 107 inch wheelbase. The Genesis Coupe is a 111 inch wheelbase. The JZX90, 100, and 110 all share a 108 inch wheelbase. The E34 is also an incredibly light car for how big it is, weighing in at about 3,100 pounds for the 525i and about 3,400 pounds for the 540i V8. Comparing that to an E92, which weighs about 3,500 for the 325i. With some basic weight reduction, you could easily get the car down to about 2,900 pounds. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like or comment down below and subscribe to us for more great content.
Pull up on your block and we squirting nines. Niggas wanna duke it, this the right time. Counting